In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automatic downloads in App Store on iPhone. If you don't want your iPhone to automatically download apps, especially apps that were installed on your other Apple devices, this setting is very useful. Turning it off gives you more control over what gets installed on your phone, which can help save storage space and reduce unnecessary data usage. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Apps, then tap on it. Inside the Apps section, find and tap App Store. This will take you to the area where Apple manages app download and update behavior for your device. Now look for the section called Automatic Downloads. In that section, you'll see the option for App Downloads. If this is turned on, your iPhone may automatically download apps that you purchase or install on other Apple devices using the same account. To stop that from happening, simply turn off App Downloads. Once you disable this setting, your iPhone will no longer automatically install apps just because they were downloaded elsewhere. From this point on, apps will only appear on your iPhone when you choose to install them manually. This is helpful if you want to keep your device organized and avoid apps showing up without your permission. While you're in the same App Store menu, you also have the option to turn off a couple of related settings. One of them is App Updates. If you disable this, your apps will stop updating automatically, which means you'll need to update them yourself through the App Store. Some people prefer this because it gives them more control over when updates happen. You may also see in-app content. Turning this off can stop apps from automatically downloading extra content in the background. That can be useful if you want to limit background activity or save mobile data. After making these changes, your iPhone will be more selective about what it downloads automatically. Your other Apple devices won't trigger app installs on this iPhone, and you'll have better control over storage and data use overall. That's all you need to do. The process is quick, simple, and easy to reverse later if you ever decide you want automatic downloads turned back on.